Welcome back to Like It or Not. We have so many exciting videos to share and hope you enjoy this little sneak peek of what's to come in November. Stick around to the end for an exciting announcement. The first week we have Ace Plus Blender Oat Milk, Trying Cauliflower Pizza, and the extended version of our first 5 masks. The app says rolled oats. The website says rolled or steel cut oats. It's like slimy. It's so gross.
Haven't you ever eaten oatmeal?
Huh. Delicious pizza on an all-natural crust? Wouldn't say no to that. Purchased mask 1. And mask 1 was actually 2 masks in one. 2 masks for $4. Great price. We actually have 4 videos planned for week 2. We have completed 3 of those and hope you enjoy the previews. I'm thinking that this recipe is going to be a big fat. It is time to try warm black bean dip. So I waited a while before I bought any more, and then someone suggested looking at kids' masks, and that kind of intrigued me. Welcome back to Like It or Not. On today's episode, we are going to go over 12 Canva text tips. That's a mouthful. The very first thing is how to add a text. The third week, we have a video conundrum. We had 2 videos planned, but it didn't work out. However, we received some tips about the oat milk we made and may try to redo that one as one of the videos this week. So there I was. I'm 10 masks in purchased, and there's been a couple disposables that I did not include. And today we went to BJ's Wholesale and I saw these. The 4th week provides a disaster in the kitchen. We're also going to be making tahini to prepare for the hummus that we will make on the final Monday in November. Our final mask video of the month is also previewed here. I'm going to do almost everything exactly to the recipe with the exception of, since I made oat milk, I'm going to use the oat milk instead of the almond milk. Oh no, I ruined my... Let's make some tahini dip for our hummus recipe, which will be coming to Like It or Not on Monday. Hey honey, we should go back to BJ's and pick up another box.
I'm trying to think of how to word this.
Have you heard the word? We have a new website and post blog posts about our videos. We include some behind the scenes things as well. Be sure to go check it out. It's listed in the description of the video. If you love what you see, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to let us know.